Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you this super cute Mulberry Hayden shoulder bag. So this is kind of a very relaxed shoulder bag shape, and it's got super soft leather. And Mulberry describes this as the ideal off-duty bag, and I do think that's great. It is a very relaxed bag, but this kind of Barbie pink colour. Although it's an off-duty everyday bag, will definitely make you stand out. So this one has got this belt handle here, and on the front it's got the Mulberry logo plaque. I'll just open it up and show you the inside. So under that flap closure we've got a press stud fasten for the interior, and then inside we've just got one big open section, that Mulberry fabric lining, and then at the back we've got one zipped pocket, which I'll just show you, that's it. They're still working pretty well. Got the Mulberry badge with the Mulberry tag on it. And you see it on the back there as usual, it's got the serial number on it as well. And then just on the flip side, got one slip pocket there. So this is a really nice bag. We love this bag. If you love this bag too, don't forget to subscribe so that you can check out our new videos every time we bring out a new video and a new bag. So this Mulberry is also coming with the Mulberry dust bag. You can see it's just got that logo, Mulberry logo in the corner. And then we've got two care cards, so, upside down. Got one care card there, and another care card here, which is also the guarantee on the back. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior fair. It has got a few marks on the back, which I'll show you. Just here, and across the back we've got those similar kind of darkish marks, but only a few on there. So that's why we've called the exterior fair. For the hardware, again, we've called it fair. You can see there's quite a few scratches on that plaque, and then on these studs as well, again, a few scratches, and some of the writing has a little bit of discoloration. Interior, called that fair. There is just a few marks on the interior, this side, a few marks throughout, and on the leather at the top there's just a little bit of creasing and marking there, but it's just got that lovely pre-loved kind of look. So although the condition is fair, it still looks great. For the size of this bag, the exact measurements will be on our website, which you can find with the link in the description below. If you click that link and it takes you directly to this bag, perfect, it means it's still available and you can snap it up as soon as you want to. However, if it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, it means this bag has sold. But if you love this bag, you can get on our request list, which you do by just sending us over an email, letting us know that you like this bag, and we'll get you on a request list, which just means that as soon as we get in another one like it, you can hopefully, we'll send you over an alert and you can hopefully get in there before everyone else. And that applies to any bag that you would like as well. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10, 5'4", and as a shoulder bag, this is just where it's sitting on me, so it kind of just sits just under my shoulder and just falls up like hip height there. So for more details on this bag, do go to our website. You'll find loads more bags on our website. You'll also find the sign up to the newsletter option on our website, which you'll find if you scroll to the bottom of any page, and you'll see a little box where you can pop in your email. If you pop in your email there and sign up to the newsletter, we'll send you over your welcome discount. So I recommend that you do that so you can get your discount. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any arm candy that you would like to sell with us, go to that page and it will outline all the details you need to know about selling your bags with us. So that's all I have for you, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.